Well, greetings out there, and today we're heading to Bali. So I'm currently here in Kuala Lumpur. I actually just touched down probably about 20 minutes ago from a flight down from Penang, also with AirAsia. But today, another AirAsia flight, and we're flying across to Bali. Now I'm expecting about a 2 hour 45, roughly minute flight with them, but I've got to find my gate. Could be a 15-20 minute walk. There's still a couple of hours until my flight, I know that, but I want to go find the gate. Let's go find it. Alright guys, we're on board now. The usual boarding schmozzle in Southeast Asia. Well yeah, looking forward to going to Denpasar Bali, spending 3 nights in Sanur before a mate of mine pops up from Adelaide, and we're going to spend a couple of weeks there, and then finally after spending a couple of months overseas it'll be time to go home. Yeah, 2 hour 45 minute flight today. If you haven't seen a couple of videos ago as well, I also flew on AirAsia down from Penang to Kuala Lumpur. And yeah, so I sort of know what I'm in store for. I'm hoping though on this flight that you don't have to pay for drinks or food or anything. I hope that sort of is just part of the service because it's an international flight. But yeah, looking forward to it, and looking forward to going to Bali. All right, guys, we are finally out. I've waited a little bit to cool down. My patience has been tested a little bit today. Also, just leaving the airport here, it's just a bit hectic, so it's a good idea to get out and get the grab. If you do ever come here, make sure you come to this room. It's like a grab room, and you can book the grab from here. Sure, some of the taxis are okay, but when it comes to prices, just check what's around first. Okay guys, what a day. I'm finally here in my guest house in Sanur, Bali. Finally made it over from Kuala Lumpur. However, I'm not sure if I actually mentioned it within this video, I've actually come from Penang this morning. So I flew Penang, 40 minutes, had a 2-hour layover in Kuala Lumpur, and then flew here to Bali. And the cool part is, this is actually where I started this whole big trip. Coming up 6 weeks ago, roughly, about 5-6 weeks ago. So it feels good to be back. There's blue skies outside, and I am starving. Have not eaten anything since breakfast. I had a banana before I left to go to the airport. In a couple of days' time, my mate's coming up from Adelaide, and then it's my birthday the day after that. So I'm looking forward to having a few days of just relaxing, no filming. Anyways, guys, thank you very much if you have come this far into the video. If you're not subscribed already and you do enjoy this kind of travel content, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really motivates me a lot more when I see that subscriber count coming up. And also if you can hit the like button if you enjoyed it as well. Only if you enjoyed it. But other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.